Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today I actually want to do this video for the purpose of that my subscribers that said I should do a video on how to post an ads operating on USD. So I actually wanted to use Binance for this purpose, but I was caught restricted from posting ads on Binance due to violation of trading attitude. I have tried to work it out, so as soon as they allow me to start posting ads again, I will do that for you. Okay, so right now I want to use k.io as an example to show you how to do that. Then you can go to Binance and actually carry out the same method. Okay, first of all, what we need to do is to navigate to where you will see p2p on Binance. You navigate to where you will see p2p. So I'm just using this k.io for the for you to take example of how it is being done. So we now click on p2p here. Once you click on p2p here, if your monetary symbol is showing ngn, you now click here where you see this place you are seeing USD. You now click there and you search for USD. Once you search for USD, you click on it and automatically you'll be logged to that interface. You will log into that interface, and what you need to do, you can see people are actually setting their buying orders, and here is sell orders. I can assure you this guy that is using bank transfer should be a Nigerian. So what you need to do is, when you are here, what you need to do is to click on ads. Just follow this method and do on Binance. It works perfectly. So once you click on ads, you see a page like this. You on Binance, you all see a page like this that said post ads. You now click on post ads. Once you click on post ads, you see this place actually showing sell as merchant. If you insert any ads here and you click on sell now, automatically your order will appear as a merchant in the buy section. Then anybody that come will buy from you and you are selling to them. Then if you click on where this place like this to change it, you can see buy as merchant. If you place an order as a buy merchant, it will automatically appear on the sell side, so that anybody that come into the market and wants to sell crypto or any other currency will automatically come and sell to you and you buy from them. So since you want to post an ad first that you want to buy, what you need to do is to make sure it's on buy side. You are on the buy side. So what you need to do is to insert the price. Doesn't matter the price you want to sell here in USD. You can sell like 1.1 USD. Then quantity that you actually want to buy, you might sell like 50. You might sell like 50 USDT. And this way you come to set your terms and condition. In this term and condition, this is not the currency we supposed to operate on. So what we need to do is, you need to set your terms and condition and tell people the price of the price you are buying each USDT from Nigeria currency. Make sure that you are selling to people who lives in Nigeria. Make the ads restricted to only people who are living in Nigeria. So, and also make sure, don't forget to set the amount, state your amount clearly, the rate you are buying. That's what I'm trying to say. State the rate you are buying. And when you are coming, you are not going to calculate your rate times the volume of USD, as in the volume of dollar here. You actually going to calculate your rate times the quantity of 50 USDT and buy, because since the person is actually selling USDT to you, not USD. So you calculate your rate times the quantity of USDT you want to buy, and you send the money to the person, and the person release the coin to you. Make sure you set a rate that you, once you buy, you go and sell and make profits as a merchant. So that's all about it. Just follow this strategy that I'm showing you and go and do it on Binance. I would have used Binance for this, but I was called restricted from using that particular option. So if you like the kind of content I'm dropping on this channel, please do wait to like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.